Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Sailing into Freedom channel analytics. They have uploaded 336 videos. They now have 85.2k subscribers with a total view of 20,709,433 views. They are from Australia, and their channel type is travel. They created their channel since March 13, 2015. The grade they got is B-. They ranked it 2,307th in Australia and 2,533rd in travel. Next, the daily subs for Sailing into Freedom is around 7 with a daily view of 6,060. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 6,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $24. Then, monthly income will be $720. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $396 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $4,752. That is how much Sailing into Freedom earns from YouTube.